Dr. Julie Schell from Bow Bottom Veterinary Hospital, and today I would like to show you how to clean a dog's ears safely and gently. And this is little Maggie, and she's really good at it. She's had a lot of experience. The first thing to do is kind of gently massage the dog's ears just to let them know that you'll be touching their ears. There's a lot of acupressure points around a dog's ears and in between the eyes, so it's nice to massage in those areas first. And what I often do is my first cleaning is I will have somebody massage the left ear while I'm working on the right, and vice versa. So the first thing I do is just basically apply a little bit of my favorite ear cleaner. The one that I like the best is this OxyFresh one for now. There's no alcohol in it and no fragrance. It's really gentle. You just basically put a small amount on the tissue, a soft Kleenex, and then just gently open the ear and gently give it a good wipe with your finger wrapped around that wet piece of tissue. And Maggie's really good at letting me do that, and Hannah's really good at massaging the other ear while we're doing that. And so you can get quite a bit of debris off in a dog just by doing this, but sometimes we have to go the next step. If the dog has really deep ear infection, I might prescribe a ear rinse. And so what I do in that case is I gently put in a few drops into the ear while somebody else is massaging the ear, and then just give a nice little squeegee effect, and you'll be able to hear kind of the swishing noises. Good girl, Maggie. And that will allow the ear cleanser to get deeper. The ear canal is like the shape of an L, so it's long and then it deepens as well, and so it's good to get the wax out right at the very bottom of the ear. So you can give a nice gentle ear massage, and Maggie's really good. And then you take a dry Kleenex and just kind of wipe the inside of the ear and release any of the fluid. And often what happens is the dog will shake their head, and that is great. That will help you release even more of the wax and debris, and then you can go in there and gently wipe it out. Sometimes I will have ear drops that are prescribed, and so what we do is a little syringe, and we gently syringe without a needle the ear drops into the ear, and then just give a good massage. So for cases that have like a bad yeast or a bad bacterial infection, they'll be prescribed ear drops as well. So now is a good time to do that after the ears have been dried out a little bit. Another thing is you could use gauze or you could use Kleenex, whatever the dog prefers. Gauze is a little bit more abrasive. I find Kleenex or toilet paper is even softer. And sometimes I'll have a spray put in, like I might prescribe an herbal spray. And so that's if there is like a ear infection that's not really getting cured well with the regular cleaner and with the ear medicines, or say it's a resistant strain of bacteria that we've done a culture on, sometimes the herbs are what does the job. And so in that case, you can gently take the ear spray and just gently spray around the ear, and it can be massaged in after. So it's a really nice herbal ear spray that smells wonderful and does a great job of cleaning all of the bacteria and yeast. The other thing that's a good trick is for long-haired dogs that have a nice long ears is I like to air the ears out. So I'll take a little girl's hair elastic, and I'll just basically elastic the fur, not the ear skin itself, but just the fur, and that will allow the dog to kind of have the ears aired out for a few minutes, and they might like stay like this nicely. You could even put a headband around the dog, those little headbands that are good for exercising and working out in. You could apply that around the dog's neck. And the other thing you can do, say if the dog doesn't want to wear the ear, like the little ear elastic, you could use a hair clip for children as well, and that works really good too, to just air them out as often as you can. And when they get tired, you can for sure take and release the elastic. The other thing you can do when you're sitting and massaging your dog and playing with her, you can just open the ears and let them air out. So flap the ears open, and they might let you keep them like that for a few minutes, and that also helps prevent moisture and heat in the ear, because bacteria and yeast love moisture and heat. So if you can keep the ears open like that, it kills off the heat and the moisture that's inside the ears, and that works really well. I never recommend using Q-tips. We only use those here for medical purposes, to take swabs or to kind of gently clean in between the ears, and so that's something that I would definitely avoid. So never use Q-tips or swabs. And definitely, if you have questions, definitely give us a call. Our number is 403-278-1984, or check out our website at www.bowbottomvet.com. Thank you very much. Thank you.